Hey, I'm Harley, and this is your Freight Rail Explainer on Surface Transportation Reauthorization. Freight railroads move 1.5 billion tons of goods each year across a nationwide network, cutting emissions, reducing highway congestion, and operating on privately funded infrastructure. To keep that vibe going, freight railroads need policies that make sense. Here are 6 guiding principles freight railroads suggest policymakers adopt. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 1. Reinforce user pays fairness by restoring equity in the Highway Trust Fund. 2. Expand safety grant programs for grade crossing improvements and infrastructure modernization through the Rail Crossing Elimination Program and the Section 130 Highway Rail Grade Crossing Program. 3. Invest in partnerships through Infra, CRISI, RAISE, and other programs that unite public and private sector strengths. 4. Reject rigid mandates that constrain workforce flexibility or tech adoption. 5. Streamline environmental reviews to accelerate low-impact infrastructure upgrades. And 6. Foster innovation by removing regulatory barriers to new safety technologies. Seriously, freight railroads are trying to live in the future, not the past. Check out more of my videos at aar.org/Harley.